Hello learners, how are you all? Today we will study our grammar book chapter number 2 nouns and pronouns. We have already completed nouns. Our noun topic number till page number 11 we have completed. Today we will start from page number 12. Our topic is pronouns. Pronouns are part of speech that are used to replace nouns in sentences. Example, the book kept on the table are mine. She can read them. These are the examples of pronoun. Pronouns are of two type, okay, personal and possessive. Personal pronouns are those pronouns which replace noun, okay, like in place of Sita we can use she, we will use she. In place of Ram, use he, she, we, they. These are personal pronoun. They may function as the subject or the object in a sentence. Examples, I, we, he, she and they are used as subject. Okay, we will use them as a subject, and me, us, him, her and them are used as objects. Now personal pronoun are of two types, subjective personal pronouns and objective personal pronoun. See here, we play with them. Here we is the subject, so it is subjective personal pronoun, and them is the object, so it is objective personal pronoun. You always help your friends. Your friends also help you. Here you is the, we are talking about you, so you is the subject, and your friend always help you. Here you is the object. Okay, they treated us warmly. They is the subject, means subjective pronoun are the who or what the sentence is about, that is subjective pronoun. So here they is a subjective pronoun and us is the objective pronoun. Where are the children? I saw them in the garden. Here I saw them in the garden. I subjective pronoun and them objective pronoun. I am studying in class 8. I subjective pronoun and here objective pronoun is not there. Fifth one, you can easily drop me home. You is the subjective pronoun and me objective pronoun. Subjective pronoun are the who or what the sentence is about. Okay, remember it. And objective pronoun are the who or what is acted upon. Okay. Next topic is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are those pronouns that indicate possession or relationship. This house is hers. Okay. And possessive adjective, they indicate possession by qualifying a noun. Possessive pronoun show possession by standing instead of noun. In place of noun, possessive pronoun will stand. And possessive adjective, they indicate possession by qualifying a noun. They are placed before noun. Possessive adjective placed before noun and possessive adjective in place of noun. See first example, in possessive pronoun, this house is hers. Hers is possessive pronoun. This is her house. In possessive adjective, it is placed before the noun. Okay, before noun. Possessive adjective always placed before noun. Second example, this is not Ravi's book. His book is new. This is not Ravi's book. His is new. In example first example, in this one, he's described the noun book. Okay, to show possession, hence it is a possessive adjective. It is also placed before the noun book. Here this his is possessive adjective because it is placed before the noun book. And in second one, this is not Ravi's book, his is new. His is new. This his is possessive pronoun. His replace the noun book, hence his is possessive pronoun. Now change the possessive adjective to possessive pronoun and rewrite them. Now we have to change possessive. Some examples are given. You have to change it possessive adjective to possessive pronoun. That is my car. First question is that is my car. So you have to write, you have to change it possessive pronoun. That car is mine. You have to change it, that car is mine. This is his idea. Then you have to write, this idea is his. This idea is his. These are my crayons. These crayons are mine. These crayons are mine. This is not our rabbit. This rabbit is not our. This rabbit is not ours. These are her dolls. These dolls are hers. First you have to write these dolls, then write R H-E-R-S, hers. Okay, understand? Now demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun are used to point out the object or objects they indicate. Example, this is my pen. That was a good joke. I mean, this to indicate anything we are using this, that. These are the example of demonstrative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are used for asking question. Example, what is your name? So what is your name? This is example of interrogative pronouns. Which is your bag? Which? Okay. Reflexive and emphatic pronouns are used when the action done by the subject reflect on the subject. Example, I made some tea. I made some tea for myself. Okay. So these are the example of reflexive and emphatic pronoun. They were blaming. They were blaming themselves. Okay. These are the examples of reflexive pronoun. Indefinite pronouns are the pronouns that refer to one or more unspecified beings, objects or places. Examples, all, no one, nobody, many, etc. Reciprocal pronouns are words like each other and one another. They refer to an action occurring in one direction and also back in the opposite direction. Like they play with each other. They play with each other. So this type of word, reciprocal pronoun, each other. The child looked at one another. These are the example of reciprocal pronoun. Distributive pronouns refer to a person or things one at a time and are always singular. Example, either, neither. These are the examples of distributive pronoun. Relative pronouns are used to add information about a noun already mentioned and also help in joining two statements together. They are words like who, whom, whose, which, that. These are the examples of relative pronoun. Okay, thank you student. I hope you all understand.